This will be our very first video, so I just want to give you a warm welcome. The name of our company is S&D Home Remodeling and General Construction. We are located out of South Florida. Just a little bit about our company. It is owned by me and my husband Dwayne. We have been in business since 2016. Well, officially in business since 2016. We started off as a residential remodeling company, which means we were only licensed with the county, and we were limited to where we can work. So we basically had a certificate of competency. So we were only based out of Broward County, that's in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And we were only limited to residential, no more than 3-story height. So we couldn't go no more than 3-story, and it have to be residential in Broward County. So we weren't able to work out of Miami-Dade or Palm Beach or anywhere else. We have to stay within Broward County. So we did that for about 5 years. Well, 4 years or so. I can't go back. About 4 years or so. What we do is complete interior remodeling, meaning we demo your entire home and rebuild it from the inside. That's our specialty. Now, you know, we are certainly good at what we do. Lots of recommendation, lots of work. And, you know, one night we're having pillow talks. You know, me and my husband, we do have a lot of pillow talks. And one of our pillow talks was, he was like, we have to take this up a notch. We have to. We're good at what we do. We have a lot of referral. We definitely got what it takes to be a successful contractor. And, you know, we decided to go ahead and upgrade our license. So now we are certified general contractor in the state of Florida. Yay! So we did went ahead and upgrade our license. We continue with the same business. We just changed the name. It was previously SDL Remodeling and Cabinet Design, and we recently changed the name. Well, this year, 2020, we changed the name to S&D Home Remodeling and General Construction LLC. So now we are not limited. We are absolutely unlimited. Okay, so right now we are doing anything from the ground to the sky. My YouTube family, to stay tuned, go ahead, actually hit that bell, hit that subscribe button, start following, because we have a lot of great ideas for you. Maybe you're thinking of a way to design your bathroom. We got you. You thinking of a way to design your kitchen. I mean, what type of floor you want to use, you know, we got you on this channel. So what to expect on our channel? I will be posting videos roughly around twice per week, and our videos will be featuring things like customer follow-ups, our day-to-day activity, site visits, a material running to Home Depot, Lowe's, or just getting material. You know, just about anything in the construction field. We're gonna have some plan reading, okay, blueprint reading. I'm gonna post as well some, you know, if you want to learn how to read a plan, we got you. All right. And if you want to learn how to read a tape measure, we got you. So this channel here have no limits when it comes to the construction field. Anything that you want to know, we'll show you on here. We'll give you ideas. Our channel is brand new, so get on the bandwagon here. Go ahead and hit that like, share it, subscribe, hit the bell. That way, once we post a video on here, you will get that ding, and so you don't miss a beat. So again, My name is Simone. And later you guys will be able to meet Dwayne. He is the man behind all these fabulous work that you will be able to see on this YouTube channel. So, just continue to stay tuned and tell a friend, phone a friend, let them know that there is a new YouTube channel on, and it's going to be amazing. Also, you can follow our other social media platform. You can find us on Instagram at SD Construction LLC. You can also find us on TikTok, just posting short videos at SD Construction LLC. We're not on Facebook, we're not on Twitter, but we're only on these 3 platforms so far. All right, and guys, looking forward to answer any questions, any concerns, any ideas. Just post it right there in the comment. I promise I'll get back to you at my earliest convenience. All right, and hope you do enjoy this video. Before you go anywhere or do anything after watching this video, subscribe. All right, see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.